So, hello everybody, Tugar747 here, and this one is a bit unexpected. Well, I decided to try to repair the angle of Mini DV in my helmet, so I made some carving. Yeah, that's a cushion from the helmet. Try to adjust a bit, well, we'll see. And when I was in it, I thought I'm gonna look how the Mini DV is looking inside. So this is it. This is an accumulator and electronics. Yeah. See? When you clip it together, I got here a small piece of plastic because as I was saying before, you can't properly see the LED diodes, and well, in the helmet there it's kinda like this for my eye, so that's a bit better. And red, which is indicating if I'm recording or not, is way better. And what I cut off, I actually put on a play and or record and stop button, so it would be operable in a gloves too. See, now recording. I hope it's gonna help. Well, for 400 crowns, which is like, I don't know, 20 bucks, yeah, it's really no problem. Yeah, so this is the Mini DV camera. Still the same terrible optics. And these four things down here, those are not bugs, well, not fleas, those are screws. Yeah. I mean, that's how tiny the screw is, you know. I really don't have a screwdriver for that, so I did it with a knife. Yeah, I really hope I won't lose them. So, hope the next videos made on two wheels will be with a bit better angle. Actually, in the last 2 weeks I had a problem. Every single video I made was with so terrible angle when I was just recording the ground, you know. So, yeah, this is it. For those who wonder how it looks inside, well, just like this. That's all for today. And keep it the rubber side down, and goodbye.